Hi friends, myself Gaurav Pawar. Welcome again in the channel AJP Education Hub, YouTube educational channel. Today I am going to teach you the session grammar. In that I am going to teach you use of adjective. Before going to the lecture, I request all of you guys, please, if you are not yet subscribed our channel, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. And if you like the video, please share and like the video so we can reach more and more people. Let's go on the topic. Use of adjective. Adjective, there have been there have three uses of adjective. What is the adjective? Adjective is a word which gives more information about the subject, okay, of some sentence. uh, Here use of adjective, there are three uses of adjective. First is adjective as a subject complements, then adjective as a object complement, and last third one is adjective with the past and present participle. Okay, first use, let's get detail of these all three uses. First is adjective as a subject complement. The subject complement is a word that follows a stative or linking verb and modify the sentence but not its verb. Okay, two things is more important here: follows a stative verb or linking verb and modifies the sentence. Which are the linking verb? Which not related to the action word is called linking word. Okay, which is not actually action verb, stative verb. Okay, in description box I have give link about the stative verb. Please watch that video if you want to learn more about the linking verb or stative verb. Okay, then here are some example of linking verb or stative verb: appear, become, believe, feel, grow, smell, seem, sound, remain, turn, true, look, test, and all the to be verbs like is, am, are, was, were. Okay, these are linking verbs. Okay, uh, three things are important in subject complement. First is follows stative or linking verb. Second is modifies the sentence but not its verb. Third thing is but not its verb. It is the clause. Okay, then example is teacher seems enthusiastic. Here is the example: teacher seems enthusiastic. Here linking verb seem. Seem is the linking verb who links subject teacher with the adjective enthusiastic. Enthusiastic is adjective and teacher is subject. Seems is a linking verb, connects subject to adjective. Okay, with the adjective. Okay. Now second use of adjective is adjective as a object complement. Object complement. This is subject complement. Now object complement. The object complement is a word that follows sentence direct object. Okay, follows sentence direct object. And second thing is modify that object. Modify that object. Okay, but not verb. Here again the clause is but not verb. Here also but not verb is modified. Here also but not verb modified. Okay, which then who is modified? Who is be modified? The sentence direct object will be modified. Okay, will be modified. Okay, then example is Sita accepts the failure success. Here success is the object complement that modifies the sentence direct object failure. Failure is the object and which connected with the subject Sita with the verb of accept. And now when you attach success with this sentence, that changes this sentence meaning, modifies the sentence. Okay, modifies the object. Okay, and become a positive sentence. Sita accept the failure is the negative, but when you write like this, Sita accept the failure success. Means she accept her failure or look her failure as a success. She becomes uh, not becomes nervous, but take a failure as a success. Take a failure as a success. Okay. Then third use of adjective is adjective with past and present participle verb. Participle means verbs. Present adjective are frequently formed by using the past participle and present participle. Past participle which ends with en, ed, t, or en. Okay, and present participle is which the verb which is ending with ing. Fourth form of the verb. Second and third form is past participle. Okay, then example is they ate dried food. They ate dried food. Okay, here dried food is not actually dried food. Dried means dried describe the cookies. Dried is actually the cookies. Okay, means they ate cookies, but here already written that they have ate dried fruits. Dried describes the cookies. Okay, second is C, scared the sleeping dog. Sleeping describes the baby, infant dog, a little dog. Okay, she scared a little dog. Okay, sleeping is the verb which is used as a adjective in this sentence. Dried is a verb which is used here as a adjective. Okay, both verbs in both sentences used as a adjective. So this is adjective with the past and present participle. Okay, this is the end of this topic, use of adjectives. If you like the video, please like and share the video in your groups with friends and relatives, so we are able to reach more and more people. And please, if you are not subscribed our channel, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching. Let's see you in next video.